Good morning, everybody.
Morning.
We're last seen somewhere. The last place you saw us was Manchester.
And spending the night in a pie factory, which is an odd day, wasn't it?
Yeah,
that was an odd one.
Today we're in Bristol. We're at Bristol bus station actually, and we're going to catch a coach up to London.
Yeah, it's my birthday, so we're having a bit of a crafty weekend away.
Yeah, cheeky weekend away in London. So we've just arrived in London. We've got off the coach at Hammersmith. The journey was a lot longer than we thought, wasn't it?
Yeah, awful. The traffic was terrible, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Got diverted off the bridge, didn't we, for about an hour?
So that was a bit of a headache. But we're here now and we're looking for a hotel, so we're going to find it underground. So we'll see you in a bit. So we've managed to find our hotel.
Yeah, we had a bit of a nightmare on the tube. We had to change trains and walk across roads and everything. It was quite hard to get to.
We found it though. We're here.
Yeah, we're here.
It's in Kensington Gardens, and it's called the Phoenix Hotel.
Yeah, so we're going to drop our bags off now and go and have an explore.
Yeah, we're not even really going to look at the hotel. We're just going to go in and go out again. So.
I'm starving.
Yeah.
I'm absolutely starving. So we've just left our hotel and walked down to Portobelo Road.
Yes, we've come to Portobelo Market. It's really busy and we're going to have a walk around in a minute, but first things first, we need a drink.
Yeah, and the pub's really busy as well, so it's standing room only.
Yeah, so we're stood up, but we're going to join the crowds in a minute and have a walk around the market. It looks really, really good.
Yeah, first what to eat.
Yeah.
Yeah, so have a look. They're supposed to have some really good street food, aren't they?
Yeah, and it's a really nice area of London. It's really pretty.
Yeah, it's really pretty, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, really nice. But yeah, finish with beer first though. So we're walking up Portobello Road and we've come to Electric Cinema and I really want to see this place. It's England's oldest cinema.
Yeah, I think it dates back to 1910, doesn't it?
Yeah.
And there's beds inside.
There is as well. You can watch a film on a bed if you want.
Yeah, really strange.
But yeah, what cool thing to be, Britain's oldest cinema.
Yeah.
Amazing, really. So we walked through the market, we finally made it to the street food there.
Yeah. We're going to have a look around and see if there's anything we can have to eat.
Yeah, it looks really busy.
Yeah, there's lots of stores here, isn't there?
It's a packed market.
Yeah, it is really busy.
Really busy.
Good atmosphere though.
Yeah, it's a really good atmosphere.
Yeah.
Now I'm hungry.
I was going to say, it smells lovely.
Yeah. So we managed to fight the crowds and get some street food, and we've got some spicy Korean chicken and it looks amazing. Yeah, it does look amazing, and we did the golden rule as well, didn't we? Join the biggest queue.
Oh god, it was so busy.
Yeah, that queue was massive.
Massive.
Oh, look at that. That's a real nice juicy bit of chicken.
Oh, it looks amazing. What do you think?
That's
Nice?
absolutely amazing, yeah.
It looks really good.
I've got a mouthful, but yeah, that's absolutely amazing.
I'm going to try some in a minute. It looks lovely.
Yeah.
So we found a seating area in the market section and we managed to get a seat and a drink.
Yeah, a couple of ciders, nice.
So I've got our Korean chicken.
Yeah,
so
lovely. It's a live band inside as well, it's really good, isn't it?
Yeah, it's really good.
Yeah, lovely place. I'm really enjoying Portobello Market.
Yeah,
It's a
amazing.
real good experience. Yeah. So we've just come off the Portobello Road and we've come to 13 Blenheim and Crescent here, isn't it?
Yeah.
And it's really famous for being the bookshop from Notting Hill.
Yeah, so it's a bit confusing because there is lots of blue travel bookshops around Notting Hill, but this is, say, the one that used in the film.
It does look like the film, I've got to be honest.
Yeah, it does, yeah. It's quite on top of that.
Yeah.
So we are still outside of Alice's antique shop on Portobello Road.
Yeah, it's really famous because it's in the Paddington Bermudes and there have been people having their photographs taken outside of it the whole time we've been stood here, haven't
Yeah, I think it's a favourite with Instagrammers. And
Yeah,
it's a really
definitely.
pretty shop. It's bright red. And usually when it's open, because it's shut at the moment, they've got like loads of sort of trinkets and everything outside.
Yeah, you said it was really cool and I was
yeah.
quite disappointed when I got up here because it's closed now and we've obviously missed it.
But we thought we'd come and have a look at it, so yeah, pretty cool.
Yeah. So we've spent all afternoon walking around Portobello Market and I've really enjoyed it.
Yeah, it's a really, really cool place. It was quite busy when we got here, about 1:30, 2.
Yeah, well, it's been it's packed.
Yeah, but it's about 5:30 now, so it's quieter now.
I think Dorinda summed it up brilliantly walking through it. She said it's like the Amazon of markets. There wasn't a single thing you could want they didn't have.
Yeah, it's got such a variety of items here. It's really good. Anything you want, I reckon you could get here. Really, really good.
And you told me it's the oldest antiques market in the world, isn't
So
it?
I read, yeah.
Wow, oldest antiques market in the world.
And it's quite a long market, isn't it? The road goes on quite a long way, so it's a
Yeah,
big
it's a long
market.
market. It's really busy though. We were at the prime time, it was absolutely packed.
Yeah.
But the food market bit was absolutely phenomenal. It
Lovely.
really was. The food was great.
So many stalls.
Yeah, and then look at that bar we sat in was great as well. I really enjoyed
it's
that.
really good, yeah. Really good market.
Yeah, it's a really good market. Really recommend coming here if you're around the area.
Don't come up at 2 o'clock, it's
Yeah.
really busy.
Yeah, leave it till a little bit later if I was you. Yeah.
Already in the morning.
Yeah, God, it's packed. So it's the next morning and we're going to get a bit easier today, aren't we?
Yeah, we walked around busy parts of London yesterday and we're going to have a bit more of a chill day today and see some sights.
Yeah, a bit more of a touristy day, isn't it?
Yeah.
Today?
And at the moment we're walking through Kensington Gardens and we're sort of walking towards Kensington Palace. But it's really lovely in here, isn't it?
Yeah, it's really nice. It's a beautiful day as well, isn't it?
It's very hot. It's only 11 o'clock in the morning and it's really hot already and it's going to be really busy in here today. You can tell there's lots of people here already.
And there's parrots flying around.
Yeah, big green parrots.
Yeah, which is amazing. Apparently they live here, they're wild. But yeah, fantastic.
Yeah.
Parrots everywhere.
So we've just come down to Kensington Palace.
Yeah, I'm not that impressed. It's not very big, is it?
No, it doesn't really look like a palace to me. It just looks like it's a big house, obviously.
Yeah, it's a big house.
But I thought it was going to be a lot bigger than that.
I thought it'd be a lot grander.
Yeah.
I don't know why. Perhaps it's just how you imagine the rules to live, I suppose, in great big grand buildings.
Yeah. And you can actually go inside. There is a really, really big queue of people waiting to go inside.
Huge.
It's £23 each, I think, isn't
Yeah,
it?
it's £23 to get in, and you can pay extra if you want to donate. I think that's to like the restoration of some of the rooms in there, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But Kate and Will's live here, don't they?
They do indeed, so perhaps we ought to pay, go in, have a cup of tea with them.
Yeah, go and knock on their door and
Yeah.
see how they are.
They better be glad to see us. So we're sat on the steps of the Albert Memorial.
Wow.
Yeah, wow.
That's all I can say.
Yeah, it's so opulent, isn't it?
Yeah, so we've just come from Kensington Palace, which we didn't think was very grand at all.
Yeah, and come to the complete mirror opposite.
A
This is
statue,
so-
which
yeah.
is way, way, way opulent.
Yeah,
really opulent.
It's so elaborate and
It
detailed.
is, really is.
Gold and so well carved. The statues are beautiful,
Yeah.
aren't they? Absolutely amazing.
And it was obviously built in memorial to
Prince Albert, yeah, he was
by
Queen Victoria's husband, yeah.
It was built 1861, wasn't it?
Yeah, and it took them 10 years to build it.
Yeah.
And it cost £120,000 in 1861, which in today's money, the equivalent is £14 million. And you can see where the money
That's,
went.
yeah, you can, but it's only a statue.
Yeah, it is, it's a memorial.
That's a lot of money for a statue.
And he wasn't even King of England, which is amazing, really.
But yeah, it is beautiful.
Yeah, it is phenomenal,
lovely
really.
Yeah, all the detail that went into the statues and everything, really, really
Yeah,
nice.
it is absolutely glorious.
But, yeah. So right opposite the Albert Memorial is the Royal Albert Hall.
I love the Royal Albert Hall. It's a fantastic looking building, it really is.
Yeah, and it was built at the same time as the Memorial, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was finished in 1871, the same year. Yeah.
But it wasn't built for Prince Albert.
No, it wasn't. No, it was going to be called the Centre for Arts and Sciences, but Queen Victoria made them change the name to the Royal Albert Hall because obviously spending £14 million on a statue wasn't enough.
She must have really loved him.
Yeah, she must have really loved him indeed. And they hold some fantastic events in there, don't they?
Yeah.
It's operas and ballets and the proms. Yeah, they hold the proms in there as well, don't they?
Sort of very cultured.
Yeah, it is very cultured indeed.
And I've never been inside, but Matthew has.
Yeah, I've been inside, yeah.
And what cultured event did you say?
Star Wars.
So there you go.
So it's our last stop of the day, and we come to the Churchill Arms.
Yeah, and it's a really well-known pub in London because it's just covered in loads of flowers.
It is whirling them, absolutely covered in flowers. And at Christmas, they cover it in Christmas trees, don't they?
Yeah, and Christmas lights.
Yeah, it looks fantastic at Christmas as well.
And it's called the Churchill Arms, I think, because since say Churchill's grandparents were regulars here in the 1800s.
Which she told me.
Yeah, which is quite an interesting fact. And the inside is just as pretty as the outside.
It really is.
It's covered in war memorabilia.
Yeah, all over the ceiling they've got like chamber pots and Spitfire aeroplanes. It's really quirky.
It's a really interesting place.
Yeah. And it's got a Thai restaurant in it as well, which is a really odd thing to see in it, because it doesn't really go. It's really like a really traditional English pub, isn't it?
With a Thai restaurant,
Yeah.
And the food's amazing.
It was, because we just had a meal, haven't we? Yeah. I had duck curry, it was absolutely brilliant.
And a really nice pad thai, isn't it?
Yeah,
Really
it's
nice
a
place.
really good place to visit in London, the Churchill Arms. It's a really nice pub. So we're at Victoria Coach Station now and heading home. This weekend's flown past.
Yeah, it's gone really fast, hasn't
Yeah,
it?
it really did fly past.
It was really good.
Yeah, I thoroughly enjoyed it, I've got to be honest. It was a really lovely weekend.
We don't usually come this side of London, do we? We usually go Covent Garden, sort of Chinatown way, don't we?
Yeah, we always head that side, don't we? Yeah.
But we thought we'd go Notting Hill way for a change, and I really enjoyed it.
Yeah, I thought Portobello Market was absolutely brilliant fun.
Yeah,
I really
we
did.
had a good laugh there, didn't we?
Yeah, we did.
And the sights we saw today was good, so
Yeah,
nice
around
nice
the
weekend.
places we don't normally go.
Yeah.
Relaxing somewhere. The last place you saw us was London.
Where will we be seen next?
Go and subscribe and find out.